Hi friends, this is a quick video just to show you how to manipulate this master schedule. As you can see, I've created these blocks for you to use, and along the left side over here where it says times and activities, not surprisingly, there are times. And I've taken the times in 15-minute increments. I think that's enough fine granular division so that you can put any activity in there. Now, what I'm going to recommend that you do is decide how long you want your activity to be. Let's say, for example, you want your activity to be 30 minutes long and you want it to be from 8:30 until 9 o'clock. First, you highlight all of these uh, boxes right here that take the entirety of the block from 8:30 until 9 o'clock. Then you choose which color you want it to be based on the color codes up here. I'm going to choose math, and it's this color right here. If you're not sure what color it is, you can click on the color box, and you'll notice it is the fourth from the bottom in the green tab there. So once again, I'm going to highlight those boxes, and I'm going to, whoops, I made a mistake right there. Don't do that. I'm going to highlight the boxes, and I'm going to insert the correct color, which is the fourth from the bottom right there. And now I want to combine all of those boxes. So up here, merge cell right there. And now I'm going to put in whatever you want to use to describe this cell. So in my case, I'll put math, for example. And you will then center it like so, and click on that, and there you go. And that's all you do. Now, I'm going to suggest that you put a heavy border around each one of your blocks so it looks something like this. And that's it. Now you're done. And now on Monday, you have a math block from 8:30 until 9 o'clock. That is the 30-minute block. I want to show you what a 1 hour block looks like. And so if you wanted to put a 1 hour block, let's say on Tuesday, you'll notice that 1 hour looks like this. I'm going to put it in, I'll call that a VAPA activity. And so I'm going to click up here, choose the VAPA color code, merge the cells, block it like that, and I'll insert the description. Now you can, as you can see, you have plenty of room to put as much description as you think is necessary. And there you go. That's how you do it. Okay, if you make a mistake and kind of mess up your master schedule, don't panic. All you got to do is just undo whatever you just did. And right now, after a few clicks of undo, I got rid of that VAPA square. Oh, I got to do one more to get rid of the color. And there you go. If you have trouble with this and you end up messing up your master schedule and you can't figure out how to undo it, just call me and I'll help you. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you very much.